All right, so check this out. I am in one of our cabinets right now, and it's super high end, and I have officially seen the very first black toilet I've ever seen in my life. Check this out. Holy smokes. It's black on black on black. Check this out. Now, understand that this cabin is done like, I don't know, 50K or 55K in like 4 months, 5 months. So maybe that's the reason. Maybe it's not. You know, maybe it's the manager. Maybe it's the co-host. Maybe it's the black toilet. Maybe it's the co-host. I'll let you decide.